How to see dislikes on YouTube on phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your particular account. Now simply find and open any channel and go to videos or shorts. Now search for the any video that you want to see the dislikes of. Open it. And from this section, you can easily find out the likes, that is 10k. But unfortunately, there is no any dislikes numbers. That means on the current situation, YouTube doesn't provide us the option to see dislikes on YouTube on phone directly. So if you really want to see dislikes on YouTube on phone, you can simply go ahead on Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and install any application like say dislikes app, and from there you can simply copy the video link. But before that, you can tap share button and tap copy link, and once it has been copied, you can go ahead and install that app and paste there, and after that it will easily show dislikes on YouTube video. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.